this video, we're going to take a look at the 2023 question 16, which included a cash flow question. So let's take a read. It was part C of this question. So it says, Mount Rangers GAA Club prepare a cash flow budget each year. Number 1, using the following information, complete the cash flow budget below. Estimated expenditure. We have purchases in June, €172, July, €58, August, €135. New equipment in June, €450. Administration costs, June, €20, July, €26, August, €18. Okay, so as you can see, all right, we had a 175 opening cash, which was left in the question. So they didn't say it in the question that they had 175 opening cash, but they have written it down here. Sometimes they won't write it down here, but they'll have it in the question, so just look out for that. So the opening cash 175 in June is also the opening cash for the total of the period, because the total period is June through to August. So what was the opening cash at the start of the period, which was June? It was 175. So let's get started now. So purchases in June, 172, July, 58, August, 135. We add all three of those together into your calculator. You're going to get the answer is €365. New equipment in June is €450. 0 for July, 0 for August. Total from June to August, €450. Administration costs then in June it was 20, July 26, August 18. We add all three of those together and we get €64. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add the 172, the 450 and the 20 together to get 642. In July we're going to add the 58 and the 26 to get 84. And in August we're going to add the 135 and the 18 to get 153. Then we should get the same if we work down as if we work across the ways. So when we tot up 365, 450 and 64, as well as 642, 84 and 153, we're going to get the same answer, which is €879. Now, net cash. So how do we get net cash? Net cash is our total receipts minus our total payments. So 400 minus 642, that is negative 242. 600 minus 84 is positive 516. 500 minus 153 is 347. And 1500 minus 879 is 621. Now, the net cash then, minus 242 plus 175 gives me minus 67. The Mount Rangers, the club then, they will have minus 67 in June, and that is going to be the opening. So minus 67 at the end of June will be an opening in July of minus 67. So then we've got 516 minus 67 gives me closing cash there of 449. That is going to be our opening cash in August. 347 plus 449 gives me 796, and then 621 plus 175 gives me 796 as well. So my closing cash in August is also my closing for the total period. So 796 there as well. So that is the cash flow budget from the 2023 Junior Cycle Business Studies paper complete.